Hello, dear investor. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a good day. So, I've had a lot of questions. People are asking me, how do I invest in commodities? Like, how do I buy gold? How do I buy silver? First, I'll just give a little background. Commodities are like physical assets like gold, silver, platinum, copper, oil, and even agricultural products. Now, what's the advantage of investing in commodities? When you invest in commodities, it's a means of long-term wealth protection, right? It helps you hedge against inflation and currency weakness. Now, there are three key methods in which you can invest in commodities like gold, silver, copper, and the likes. The first method is for you to buy the physical bars. So you're buying physical gold bars, or you're buying physical silver bars, or the coins. Some people buy pure gold jewelry, for instance. So you're buying the physical asset. You're sure that this is physical. This is pure gold. In Europe, there are a few companies that that are well known where you can purchase pure gold, silver, or even platinum. Right? That's they call them. You're either buying the bars or the coins. Yeah, I know there's Gold Republic. There's also Bullion Vault as well. The number two method how you can invest in commodities is in investing in ETFs, commodity-based ETFs. So if you go on whichever platform where you use for your investment, you can search for commodity-based ETFs. For instance, one of them I know is S-Tracker's Commodities Index ETF. So when you invest in this ETF, so what this ETFs track the prices of, it could be a gold commodities ETF. It will be tracking the price of gold. So it means that you're invested in gold, but you do not own the physical gold. You do not. You just have investment in these companies that are tracking the gold prices, right? Unlike the first option where you have the physical gold, in this case, you don't have the physical gold. Now, the third option, how you can invest in commodities, is in investing in the commodities mining companies. So these are companies that mine gold. You can look up, depending on where you're based. There are some companies that are responsible for mining either gold, silver, copper. Some people are invested in platinum, palladium. So you can also invest in this company. This will also mean investing either you're investing in their stock, right? So you're investing in these mining companies. So you're buying like shares in that company. You're buying stocks of those companies. And one thing I want to highlight, having discussed these three methods of investing in commodities, investing in commodities is for the long term. Investing in commodities is for the long term. It's for long-term wealth protection and preservation. You don't use your emergency funds to invest in commodities. You do not panic sell your commodities, your investment in commodities when there is a pullback in the market like we're experiencing now, right? So I just want to let you know, dear investor, if you're going to invest in commodities, this is something you should do knowing the risks. Commodities are volatile. I would say investing in commodities should be one of the ways you can diversify your investment portfolio. You can choose to allocate between 5 to 10% of your investment portfolios to commodities, right? Depending on your risk appetite, depending on what you can afford to put in commodities. So until next time, I'll say stay calm, stay invested, and stay disciplined. Have a nice one. Bye.